You know, over the years, I've been helping people figure out what to do during this back to school season. How to get started unschooling. I have a variety of resources, blog posts and podcasts and videos and PDFs. They're spread out all over the place because every year I make something new for the community, and I've been doing this for a while. We did our Not Back to School webinar the other day, and I think quite a few people still need a little more hand-holding. So that's why I've put together this Unschooling 101 mini course to walk you through these first few steps of unschooling. I've pulled together the resources so that you don't have to waste time searching for what matters and what could wait until later. So just an FYI among friends, I'm going to start converting my unschooling guides, the PDFs, into mini courses. And I'm starting at the beginning with Unschooling 101. The recordings are going to be available in the shop for more like $29. So this is a great deal. I've written out the outline below so that you can know what to expect and helping you feel a little more confident. When I say you don't have to do this alone, I mean it. If you're just starting out or you're not brand new but you're still a little nervous about unschooling, I hope you'll join me next week. I'm excited to get to know you and help you be successful with unschooling.